Well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. This is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, coming back again as always to you live and direct to encourage us all to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus. And living a life that's victorious in Christ Jesus, a part of that means we have to nourish ourselves well, right? I mentioned before that I didn't used to have breakfast, or not routinely have breakfast, but my body needs breakfast. It has to eat something, early on, after, at least within an hour or two of me getting awaking. And today it let me know it. You really, because I'm really never this hungry and early in the morning, but my body is getting back on track, which I'm very, very happy for, because I've been off sweets for like 4 months, 3 to 4 months. And normally if I'm off sweets, definitely there's going to be a reduction in my weight, but I had been gaining weight, and it's like, what's going on? Because I don't really eat, I don't eat too terrible, not daily anyway. But so I just noticed that. So at different ages and stages in your life, you have to be very, very careful. There are seasons. So yeah, so today I'm going to be making as you can see here, I have in here a banana in the bottom, some water, some frozen peaches that have been rinsed off, and I have some frozen spinach that has also been rinsed off. I have my medjool dates. I love these dates. They sweeten, and because I'm not sure how this is how sweet the banana would do, but these medjool dates have really been a game changer. And I see people always have, on different videos saying, how they add that to their recipes, food, cakes and whatever, to sweeten things. And wow, they have really been a great blessing. They really sweeten. I probably shouldn't have two in these, but oh well. But as far as the seeds, you gardeners out there, they have these lovely seeds. I put them in water some time ago and had them in there for a long time, but they never did sprout. So I'm thinking I'm going to put them in soil and they may sprout, because I have so many of them and I hate to waste them. So I'm going to, sorry, this is really not that clear. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting these in soil to see what I can, what will happen. Yeah, so I'm going to also use some organic apple cider vinegar. I'm going to be drinking this daily. That's another thing, because we had started it because they buy this in the house all the time and expect for us to drink it. But because I don't really drink juice, when I drink this, I'll have it. Sometimes I'll have it with lemon or with water, but it's really a terrible thing to try to take. It's really not not the most pleasant taste at all. So, but I noticed that in juices it's good. So I'll have to have a juice, but the juice can't have a high sugar content at all. And back to what I was saying about sugar, I've been off of sugar, but what I'm talking about is, like, if I do have honey, I have had anything in tea or in coffee, creams and things like that. And sometimes if I have some cold cereal, some of that sweetened cold cereal, but like desserts and other things, sweets, I have not partake of at all. So but anyway, so let me get this started up, and I'll come back and show us what it looks like, because we're going to be doing at least one smoothie per week. I'm going to show you how I'm mixing them up and stuff. I have here my cocoa, in the middle, chia seed. I have my flax seed, and then these are like my cocoa pods or whatever they are. But anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back, and it is looking quite delicious. So I have my little clear straw, one of those, I think they're reusable, the reusable clear straws with the gold flecks in them. And look at here for a little encouragement. Also, I'm really loving this scent. I don't normally use candles just to be burning them, but I love them when I'm cooking. certain foods. So just love, I put them when I'm cooking anything basically, but it really helps to keep the odors, it absorbs the odors very, very well. So without further ado, let me give this a taste test. Remember, this is banana, peaches, spinach, and dates, and organic apple cider vinegar with the mother, of course, and water. And I put a little bit more apple cider vinegar in it than I normally would have, but I hope that it works because I got to remember to keep that on. So let me see here. Yeah, this is very, very nice. I love it. I really love it. It tastes like pears are in it, though. For some reason, it tastes like pears. But I love green smoothies. I love to add that green to my smoothies. I need to go and pick up some carrots. I think I'll pick up carrots on my next, what do you call it? My next smoothie shopping haul. I think I need to pick up some carrots, and I'm going to pick up broccoli because I want to start putting broccoli in my smoothies, as well as, of course, carrots, you know, and things of that nature. So anyway, I hope everybody is doing well. Please remember to prioritize your time, your talents, your money, and your resources. All of those things, you know, be sure that you're using your time wisely, your resources, as well as your talents and your money. So so thank you again for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you don't like it, then maybe you might want to unsubscribe. But anyway, so don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to share the video if you like, and don't forget to comment. Leave us a comment if you like. Let us know what kind of smoothies you are enjoying in this season, and if you are having any health challenges or weight loss challenges, you can share that with us as well. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, signing out for now. Have a great day. Bye-bye.